Okay. So check your net, Rishabh. Okay, it's a net problem. Okay, rest all. You can hear now. Hello, you can hear me. Okay, so only one guy only. Okay, now copy this one. Then write. Finally, write. This is important thing. Then by factor theorem, g of x is a factor of f of x. That's important thing. Then by factor theorem, g of x is a factor of f of x. Okay, right. So copy fast. Okay, so next one, I'll send you the question. Okay, you can check the net. Okay, as our group. Okay, you try 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 only. 2, 3, 4, 5. What this J asking the question? When you do this question, you have to do factor theorem. You write what every time you're writing what? Each question separate. No. If you are using factor theorem, you should write by factor theorem. You just like ask your question like a kid. Because you use this question, we use a factor theorem. So we apply the factor theorem. Then every question, how can I write factor theorem? Number system, how can I use factor theorem? Okay. So try 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try now. I sent the question. Check the question. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Try now. Question already sent. Check the group. Sanjay. Check the group. Question is what? Check whether this one, you just apply. If it is x minus 3, f3, x plus 3, minus 3. Last class you did know, same question, last class you got some remainder. Here what you will get? 0, that's only. Vidya, I told you this question is f of x. Then why are you asking unnecessary questions? Wait outside. Okay. What 2.6 is what? I didn't find 2.6. Where is 2.6? I told you to check whether it is a factor or not. To check whether it's a factor or not. Every questions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till then you try. So you'll get 0. If it is 0, you can say it is a factor. I don't know. I have to check it. Okay, you try first. You try all the questions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I show here. Okay, finish or not? Okay, second question I'll show here. Look at here. Second question. 3 x raised to 4 plus 17 x cube plus 9 x square minus 7x minus 10 divided by x plus 5. Listen here. 3x raised to 4 plus 17x cube plus 9x square minus 7x minus 10 x plus 5. So minus 5. 3 into, careful, minus 5 whole raised to 4 plus 17 into minus 5 whole cube plus 9 into minus 5 square, 7 into minus 5 minus 10. Okay. 3 into 5 raised to 4 is how much? 5 raised to 4 is how much? 625. Plus 17 into minus 125. Correct or no? Plus 9 into 45. Sorry, 25. Plus 35 minus 10. Okay, now 3 into 625. 1875 minus 17 into 125 minus 2125 plus 9 into 25. How much? 225 plus 35 minus 10. Are you getting like this now? Correct or no? Right? Okay, so this one we added 1875 plus 225 plus 35. How much? You getting this one correct or not? Hello, you getting this one? I think it's wrong. Is it wrong or not? Is it correct? Okay, so what will get the final answer? You got 0. Final answer is what? 0. Yes. Final answer 0. That means it is a factor. It is a factor. Okay, then try next one. Question number 3. Question number 3, try now. Okay, try now. Question number 3. I'm not going to the full questions, okay? Try question number 3. Second answer 0 only. Nice. Second question answer is 0 only. That is a factor. Okay. Why are you late, Rigved? Okay. So now third 3, 4, 5, 6. Try fast. Third question, g of x you cannot see. It is x plus 3. You just enlarge. You just enlarge, man. You cannot use this smartphone. X plus 3. X plus 3. Okay. Okay. Third question, I'll write here. X raised to 5 plus 3x raised to 4 minus x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 15. Correct or no? X raised to 5 plus 3x raised to 4 minus x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 15. X plus 3. So minus 3 raised to 5 plus 3 into minus 3 raised to 4 minus 3 cube minus 3 into minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 15. Okay. Minus 3 raised to 5, how much? 3 raised to 5, how much? 81. How much? Oh, 243. Okay. Minus 243 plus into 3 raised to 4 is 81 minus of 27 minus 27 minus 3 into 9 minus 15 plus 15. Okay. Minus 243 plus 3 243. Oh, cool. Plus 27 minus 27. This is good question. Plus 15. See, look, this is cancelled. This is cancelled. Cancel equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, it is a factor. Okay. You should write. How many times I'm telling you, Pranav? How many times I'm telling you? If you are using factor theorem, you have to apply it. And again asking. Okay, now one try fourth one. Then remaining you try at home only. You finish homework. Okay. I didn't tell you to do the sixth question. Sixth question simple. You put x equal to 3 by 2. Dhruv, x equal to 3 by 2. This one all you did last classes for remainder theorem. Remainder theorem, you'll get some value. Here what will get 0. That's only difference. Okay. Now we are good. You have to finish it. The homework question is 5, 6 only. 5 and 6 homework. Okay, so now look at here now. Another important thing you learned last year, splitting the middle term. You learn or not? Hey, listen all. Splitting the middle term you learn. You know how to do, right? Okay. So I'm going to do some questions splitting the middle terms. Okay, it's a part of this year. Okay. Look at here now. This is we have to practice it. Okay. Look, question is don't write now. Hello, listen all. All wait here. Suppose x square plus 6x plus 8. Okay. We have to factor this one. Look, don't type anything. Just listen here all. Okay. Question is what? Factorize by splitting the middle term. Okay, splitting the middle term. We have 4 options. There is. Don't write now. In a box, writing that. Okay. The product is positive. Sum is positive. That means both are positive side. Okay. The you're familiar on this one, right? Hello. Are you familiar with this one? Because product, sum, and you learned last year. Okay. Okay. So product means this 1 into 8. That is 8. The middle one is sum. Okay. The product positive, sum is positive means you have to find out 2 numbers. Both are positive sign. Correct or not? That means positive and positive into positive, positive. Positive plus positive, positive. So nothing to worry. You find the number and put the sign. Okay. Second option, product is positive, sum is negative. That means both are negative sign. Correct or not? Minus into minus is plus. Minus plus minus minus. Like that. Okay. Now, third option, product is positive. Product is negative, sum is positive. So different sign. Different sign means one is positive, one is negative. Higher is positive. Higher is positive. Higher number is, bigger number is positive. Okay, last option, product is negative, sum is negative. That means different sign, higher is negative sign. Higher is negative sign. Okay, you make a key now. Hello, make a key, make a box. Then write P positive, sum positive. This one last year I repeated neither. Last year you learned or not? Last year, neither. Answer this question. Okay, if you not learn, you go to last year you didn't learn. You go to class 8 book and learn. I cannot go to class 9 now. Okay, class 8. Those who not learn, it is class 8 book is there. Okay. Okay, copy this box. Okay, right? Product, write like this. Product positive, sum positive, both are positive sign. Then product positive, sum negative, both are negative sign. Both are negative sign. Okay. Then product negative, sum is positive. Different sign, different sign, higher is positive sign, higher is positive sign, higher is positive sign. Okay. Then last, product negative, sum negative, different sign, higher is negative sign, higher is negative sign. Okay. That don't write now. Okay, listen here. Neither. This is your book, class 8 book, right? Hey, all the guys, check. Is it your book? Okay. Go to page 221. Page 221. Check this one. You can see example 4. You can see or not? Page 221. Not on page. It is there. You learn already. Okay. I just repeating class 8 portion only. You don't have reader, then you only solve the reader class 8. Mishal, you solved the class 8 book. You didn't learn class 8 directly from 7 to 9. Okay, Jain, that is okay. Look at here. I'll tell you, just listen. This table not required. Actually, I'll just give a hint. Look, the first one, product positive, sum positive, both are positive. Second one, product positive, sum is negative, both are negative. Then third one, product is negative, sum positive, different sign. That is, one is positive, one is negative. Which one is higher number is positive. The last one, product is negative, sum is negative, different sign, higher number is negative sign. Then clear now? Okay. Now listen here. Listen. I just go through first class 8 portions. Then class 9. Look at here. X square plus 6x plus 8. Here the product is 1 into 8. That is 8. Sum is 6. Okay. You have to think and find out two numbers. Their product is 8 and sum is 6. Which numbers? Hey, wait. Don't answer it now. Look. This guy every time disconnect. Pranav. Pranav Raj. Hello. Look. I told you don't answer now. Okay. Naishi, you know how to do this one because from the test also I understood. Okay. Look. Look at here. We have to get the product is 8. Two numbers. Listen, because you have no background class 8. I don't know whether you learned or not. Okay. This class today will discuss this part only. So you make sure that this will continue next year. Higher class, every class is required. Okay. The product is 8. That means two numbers. Their product is 8. Sum is 6. You think about from 1 onwards. 1 into 8. 8. Oh, happy. But 1 plus 8, how much? 9. Not possible. 8 minus 1, 7. Not possible. Then next number, 2 and 4. 2 into 4 what? 8. 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, that is happy. This way you have to think about it. There is no magic in this. You have to think and find out. Then write x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. Then x square plus 4x, x outside, x plus 4 plus 2x plus 8, 2 outside, x plus 4. Now this is common here. X plus 4 into x plus 2. This is the called splitting the middle term. Right first. Those who have no idea, go to page number 217 of class 8 book and read it. I'm doing class 8 portion now. Okay, copy this one. Okay, so next one. Next question. You try. Okay. Actually, we are doing now class 8 portion only. Okay. See, I'm doing the class 8 class 8 book. Okay. Then only you can see the class 9. X square plus x square plus 10x plus no, x square plus 7x plus 10. X square plus 7x plus 10. X square plus 7x plus 10. Okay, do it now. Okay. Look at here. Product is positive. Product means 1 into 10. That part understood now. Look at here. Ax square plus bx plus c. Product means this one. A into c. Sum is b. This okay no? For you, you know this all, right? This all you know, right? Okay. Look. Actually, this all ax square plus bx plus c. Product means the coefficient of x square and constant a into c. Sum is coefficient of b. Okay. So now here, product is here 10. 1 into 10. Sum is 7. Okay, think about it. 1 and 10. Mark by that. 2 and 5. Okay, 2 into 5, 10. 2 plus 5 is 7. So x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now here, x outside, x plus 5 plus 2 outside, x plus 5. So x plus 5 into x plus 2. Okay. Yes, he connected now. X plus 5 into x plus 2. Okay, not 5x plus 2. x plus 5 into x plus 2, not 5x plus 2. Okay. That's really x plus 5 into x plus 2, because x plus 5 outside, x plus 5, then x here, 2 here. Clear now? Okay. Look at here. I want to make a list who all got the full DPS guys test. Okay, because you sent me, but I didn't see that one. Okay, can you make someone to coordinate this one from DPS? No, don't say like that. Anyone can coordinate like a coordinator. Every classes like that we had a coordinator, but regular classes we have a coordinator. Who can make that? Okay, Manasvi, listen here. Who all got? Okay, now Manasvi first said. Okay, Manasvi, who all got full? Give the name to Manasvi. Manasvi make a list. Okay, heading like this. Okay, first, no, Manasvi, listen. Um, First, test results. Okay, for all got full. Okay, then serial number, name only. Heading is should be clear. Okay, are you okay now? Tuition for what here? Our no school test. Manasvi, you understood now what I said? You make a column like this. Okay. Okay, serial number and name, school only, DPS only full. Okay, then make the header here, the first Sunday test who all got full marks. Okay, then list it and send me in my, okay, then I'll send to the group. Can you do this one? Because every classes there was a coordinator. Okay, their job only, they may call this all. Okay, so who all got full, send to Mansvi. Okay, so look at here now. Next question. Yeah, you give the name. You give the name, not in a report card. You just give the name. Who all got full? Okay, your name. Okay, so don't just say you got it full. Maybe she will ask. She's the authority to check whether correct or not. You say like, okay. One minus V. Okay. Okay. Now next question. I'll make Manasvi, I'll make it you group admin. Okay. Okay. So you look at here. Next question: x square plus 11x plus 30. X square plus x square plus, next question, x square plus 11x plus 30. Listen, today full we'll spend only for this. You make sure how to split the middle terms. Forget about last year what happened. Okay, because this, without this one, next chapters, class 10, class 11, every year you'll suffer it. Okay, so now this one, this all class 8 questions only. Class 9 another type. Okay, x square plus 11x plus 30. Okay, can you try now? Okay, here listen. The product is 30. Sum is 11. So you're thinking, hey, the thinking way, this is the way you're thinking. Listen here. You start from 1. 1 into 30. Okay, multiplication okay. But 30 plus 1 what? 31. 30 minus 1 is what? 30 minus 1 is what? 30 minus 1 is 29. No way. Then 2 and 15. 2 into 15 is what? 30. But not addition not working. 3 into 30 not working. Right? Like that we think about 6 and 5. 6 into 5, 30. 6 plus 5, 30. Okay. So x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 30. Then x outside, x plus 6 plus 5 outside, x plus 6. That means x plus 6 into x plus 5. When you smart, not now, you can directly write this one here. When you're smart, okay? This Pranav, how many times you are going, you playing? Coming, going and all what? No, no, don't do directly. Don't do directly. We need steps. Okay. That is you can do next year. Okay. This year because you're learning, so you have to do all the steps. Next year, it's a part of the question only. Next year, it is a small part of the questions. But without this part, you cannot complete the questions. Like you have a flat, okay, furnished flat, but you miss the key, so you cannot enter it. Like that only. Okay. Don't do directly. Okay. So next one, x square. Okay, shall I give some questions? You can, no, I'll better one way. X square plus 18x plus 32. X square plus 18x plus 32. X square plus 18x plus 32. Do it first. Anyone last class absent here now attended? Last class attended absent. Anyone? All present last class, right? Okay. Okay, try this one. X square plus 18x plus 32. You got? Sharanya, why did you inform that? Afham, you should inform. Then how can I understand now today's portions? Okay. What is the question? X square plus 18x plus 32. Okay, try first. Okay, look at here. Product is 32. Sum is 18. So which numbers? 16, 2 and 16. X square plus 2x plus 16x plus 32. Here common is x plus 2. Here common is 16, x plus 2. So that is x plus 2 into x plus 16. X plus 2 into x plus 16. Right? Is it okay? Are you getting now? Right? Okay. Now, next one. 4 and 8 what? Hey, wait. Who said 4 and 8? 4 into 8 what? 32. 4 plus 8 is 16. Sad. 4 and 8. 4 into 8 is 32. 4 plus 8 is 18. That part also you have to check it. Not only product. Okay. So now, I have positive cases. Now, try x square plus 7x minus 18. X square plus 7x minus 18. If we get what inverse? What do you mean by inverse? You get the product, man. Okay. Okay, try this one. X square plus 7x minus 8. This is which category here actually? Look at here. Product negative, sum positive. Different sign, higher is negative, higher is positive sign. If you want, you can use this key. Product is negative, sum is positive. So different sign, higher is a positive sign. Look, product is minus 18, sum is plus 7. So we can find 9 and 2, correct or no? 9 into 2, 18, 9 minus 2, 7. So x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 18. Check. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. X outside, x plus 9 minus 2x minus 18. Minus 2 outside, x plus 9. So that is x plus 9 into x minus 2. It's wrong, Inaya. Okay. X plus 9, right? Or x plus 9 into x minus 2. Okay, Inaya corrected that. I told you, no, it's a very important part. Without this one, you will be in trouble next year. Next year, it's not like this. It's a part of a small part of the questions. Without that part, we won't get the answer. That's all. Not in steps. You can directly write like this. This year, you have to write all the steps. So next one, x square plus x square. Next question, x square plus 5x minus 6. X square plus 5x minus 6. X square plus 5x minus 6. Okay. So what you got? Product is -6. Sum is 5. Okay. Product -6. Sum is 5. Means again this one. Okay. X square plus 5x. No, it won't work. No. 6x minus x minus 6. Correct or no? 3 and 2 work? No. Hey, 3 and 2 it won't work. It will work? It won't work. How it will work, man? Sad. Listen. 3 and 2. Okay. What is sign? Sad. Think about like this. Okay. 3 minus 2. This guy has no idea about class. I'm doing class 8 portion now. That's why I told you. You check the table, the key. Listen. Wait. Look. Check the key. You follow the key. Okay. Then you won't make mistakes. Look at here once again. I told you I spent full time today this section only. Okay. Listen the key. Check your book. You write first product and sum. If product and sum positive, both are positive sign. Both are means what? You have to find out two numbers. Okay. If product is positive, sum is negative, both are negative sign. Okay. Third option, product is negative, sum is positive. That means one is positive, one is negative, but higher number should be positive sign. Okay. Next one, product is negative, sum is negative, different sign, higher number is negative sign. This is the options. Okay, now this question, look at here. Product is -6, sum is +5. Okay, if we take 3 and 2, 3 sign -2, what will happen? 3 minus 2, 1 only. You have to check the sum and product, you have to check it. Okay, so now here I'm writing x square plus 6x minus x minus 6. Here x square plus 6x, x outside, x plus 6 minus outside, x plus 6. X plus 6. That means x plus 6 into x minus 1. This is the answer. So all got x plus 6 into x minus 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, now next question. Listen here. I didn't start class 9 portions. Still, we are going class 8 only. Okay. Y square minus 11x, sorry, 11y. No, wait. Y square minus 4y plus 3. After the tuitions, we go to the class 8 book. Okay. Check that page number. I told you now the page number. Okay. So you'll get more idea. Okay. Maybe you didn't learn because that's the problem now you're suffering. Okay. It is everything is there. Class 8 book. Page 224, same question there. Okay. here product is 3, sum is -4. Which category is this one? Product positive, sum is minus, both are negative. Y square minus 3y minus y plus 3. So y outside, y minus 3 minus y plus 3, minus outside, y minus 3. So that means y minus 3 into y minus 1. Y minus 3 into y minus 1. Not fourth category. 1, category 2. Come on, sir. You first recognize which key you are using. You have 4 keys there is. Understood? No. You have 4 keys. Which key is suitable for that? You have to find out. Okay. You didn't heard about this key, about the key. Then how you learn? Without key, how you learn, man? You have a car, but you don't have key. Then how you go? Key should be the key will be useful for you. I told, listen again. I tell you the key. Listen, key 1. Product is positive, sum is positive. Very simple. Nothing to worry. Find 2 numbers, okay, and check the sum and product. Put the positive side. Then product negative. Product is positive, sum is negative. Nothing to worry. Both are negative sign. That is only here. Third option, product is negative, the sum is positive sign. Such a case, one should be positive, one should be negative. Which one is positive means higher number should be positive. Okay. Last key, product is negative, sum is negative. Different sign, higher number is negative. You follow this key, you never get mistake. Okay. So now next question. X square minus 11x, x square minus 11x minus 80. X square minus 11x minus 80. X square minus 11x minus 80. 80. Try now. Okay. Product is minus 80. Sum is minus 11. 16 and 5. X square minus 16x plus 5x minus 80. Okay, look at here. Getting the number that is minus 16 and 5. That is no other no magic. You have to think and find out. Okay, you can use this method. Start from 1. 1 into 18. Mark 5. 2 into 8. 2 into 40. 4 into 20. Okay, 5 into 16. Like that, you can keep on try. That's only. Okay. Okay, now here x outside, x minus 16 plus 5 outside, x minus 16. X minus 16 into x plus 5. That's only. X minus 16 into x plus 5. Okay. Okay, one more question now, class 8. Then I'll go to class 9 portions. Okay. It's the last question of class 9. Okay, class 8. X square minus 4x minus 21. X square minus 4x minus 21. Okay. Look, product is minus 21. Sum is minus 4. So what is that one? 21, 7 and 3, right? Okay. X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. So x outside, x minus 7 plus 3 outside, x minus 7. So x minus 7 into x plus 3. Okay, now we are going for the class 9 portions. Okay. Okay, so ready now? Everyone okay? This is clear now? Some idea you got, right? Hello. So we are going to do, if you know this only, we can do class 9 portions. Look at here. Still, we can use a key. The first question, look at here. 6x square plus 7x minus 3. Okay. I'll show first question. Listen, only difference is here is something coefficient should be there. Previous question it was 1. Okay, now here product is 6 into minus 3 equal to 18. Then sum no change 7. Product is A here, C here. Okay, now 18 and 7. How much that? 18 and 7. Okay, 6x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 3. Correct or not? 9 into 18, 9 minus 2, 7. Happy. Okay. So 3x outside. 2x plus 3 minus 2x minus. Listen, how much? What we got here should be here. Then only we can take common. Minus of 2x plus 3. So that is 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. Okay, right first. Is it okay or not? Check all the steps. Okay. The first step is this one. Like previous question, what we did, we need 7x. So we got 9 and 2. 9x, 7x means 9 minus 2x. No change here. 6x square plus 9x, common is 3x. 2x plus 3. Minus 2x minus 3, we can take minus outside, 2x plus 3. Then 2x plus 3 common, 2x plus 3 into x, 3x minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now you try. Okay, next question. 6x square. Okay, listen here. 6x square plus 17x plus 12. 6x square plus 17x plus 12. Okay, try first. Getting or not? Product is 72. Sum is 17. Which are the numbers? Oh, okay, I'll wait. Okay. Here, 6x square plus 9x plus 8x plus 12. 8 into 9, 72. 8 plus 9, 17. 3x outside. 2x plus 3 plus 4 outside, 2x plus 3. How much? What we got here should be here. 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 4. So all got. Okay, okay. Copy fast. So next one, 9x square plus 18x plus 8. 9x square plus 18x plus 8. Okay. Product is 72. Sum is 18. Which numbers? 72 and 18. Which numbers? 6 and 12. Okay. 9x square plus 6x plus 12x plus 8. So 3x outside, 3x plus 2 plus 4 outside, 3x plus 2. So answer is 3x plus 2 into 3x plus 4. Are you okay all? Hello. We are spending full day only for this question only. Full episode only for this. Okay. End of the day, you should have thorough about this one. Okay. Because I know the importance. Otherwise, next year you'll suffer it. Many chapters. Okay. So next question. Two x square plus 11x minus 21. 2x square plus 11x minus 20. If anyone have doubt, if not getting, tell me, we'll discuss it. Okay. Actually, your reader is very poor in this chapter. Okay, this section. Only 4 questions only in the reader. That's not enough. You may be noticed. Rationalization. How many questions in the reader? Maybe maximum 5 questions. Nothing came from your test. Nothing from the reader, right? Correct or no? So like that only all test. Okay, you have to check the extra questions. Okay, so now Manasvi is our group coordinator, especially for DPS students. Okay, Clear now? No one can question. No one can question her. Okay. On behalf of me, she's posting and all. Okay. So what Manasvi said, you have to agree. Clear no? If Manasvi saying today is Wednesday, you should agree. Okay, like that. Clear now? Correct or no? She has full authority there is. Okay. Listen, like our parliament. Look, our parliament, listen. Like the parliament is the authority, correct or no? Not president. Right? President no power. Parliament only authority. Listen, like British Parliament, look at here. Hello, I give you an example. Look, forget about question, man. In British Parliament, a bill pass. Listen, in British Parliament, a bill pass. The bill is like this. Who have blue eyes, they are going to kill. What? Who have the blue eyes color, they are going to kill. Parliament passed. Okay. Even the British Parliament, who will sign the final? British Parliament instead of president, who will sign it? Then only the law. Any idea? Come on. The Queen. Yes, the Queen. Good. Others. The Queen should sign it. Even though the Queen eye is blue color, she's supposed to sign it. That means Parliament is the authority. Like in India, if Parliament is pass a bill, okay, President, one chance there is he can return to Parliament to rethink about it or re-discussions and all. Again back to again back to President. He's supposed to sign it. Okay. Clear now? So like that, Manasvi has authority, okay, group admin, okay, same power only. Someone, Karam, how you know my Facebook? He that is my brother-in-law. It's good now. Okay, now back to the question. Okay. What is your mom name? It is my friend. Okay. Somebody showed. Okay. Okay. Look at here. So, okay. Now that means, listen here. Come to the parliament. If parliament is passed a bill, president is supposed to sign. He can return for discussion. Again, he cannot return it. Then parliament can impeach. Parliament can remove the president. That's very rare, very rare cases only. Like that. Okay. Manasvi, what you will do today? You get the all guys, all DPS guys, your correct mark. Okay. Understood now? All DPS guys. Okay. Send the marks to Manasvi. Then she will make it, sort it. Who all got full, make one list. Rest all another list, like that. You can make it now. You can. Is it okay? I'm not forcing you. Is it okay now? Okay, because I can do this one, no problem. But I need to make a leadership quality. That's right. Okay, it's a part of the studies, not just studying maths or science or social studies. No, you should have a leadership quality. That's why I'm giving you a chance. Okay. Okay. Look at here. So now, okay, this question. The product is minus 42. The sum is plus 11. Okay. uh, think about it. 14 and 3, correct or no? 14 and 3. 14, correct or no? So 2x square plus 14x minus 3x minus 21. 2x outside, x plus 7 minus 3 outside, x plus 7. So x plus 7 into 2x minus 3. Okay. Okay. So next 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay. Here the sum product is 12. Sum is minus 7. Okay, we thinking and finding. Finally, we got 4 and 3. Correct or no? Which key? Key number 4. Yeah, no. This one. Okay. Second one. 12x square 7. Yeah, minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. 4x outside, 3x minus 1. Minus outside, 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. Correct or no? 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. Right? Okay. So next one. Okay, those who want to copy first. Okay, so next question, look at here. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Try first. Okay, the product is 6, sum is 7. Okay, 2x square plus uh, product is 6, right? Which are numbers? Okay, 6x plus x plus 3. So 2x outside, x plus 3 plus x plus 3. X plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Okay, next one. Is it okay? Are you getting or not? Okay, so next one. How many questions finished now today? How many questions finished? How many questions finished? Today's number 19. Okay. Look, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, try now. Okay, so got it? What is this? That minus 6x square. Product is minus 36. Sum is 5. Okay. So which are numbers? 9 and 4. Okay. Plus 9x minus 4x minus. Sign depends on the key. So 3x outside. Okay. 2x plus 3 minus 2 outside, 2x plus 3. So answer is 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. Okay. Copy first. Okay, so next one, 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay, 3x square. Okay, product is minus 12. Sum is minus 1. So 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Here, x outside. 3x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4. That is 3x minus 4 into x plus 1. Okay. Look at here. After this class, you practice today itself this all. Then only I can do next questions. Okay. So spend some time before starting. You go to class 8 book, read that chapter. You'll get some idea. Then back to this one and practice again. Take a rough sheet and practice it. This is very important section. Okay. So this is enough today. I can do a further question because you should know this all. Okay, this is enough today. Those who are not give the name, give me okay. Based on only next class you can enter it. Okay.